Namaste, Hamesha Khush Raho Bitiya. This is JV and Dr. Meenakshi Soni, Faculty of Homeopathic Science, Department of Homeopathic Repertory, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. This is my session number 24. Today's topic is Introduction of the BTPB, Boningasan Therapeutic Pocket Book. Name of the book, Boningasan Therapeutic Pocket Book, published by Dr. T.F. Allen, introduced by H.A. Robert, first edition 1846. Introduction. He was born in the Netherlands. There is a controversy about the birth year of Boningasan. According to Lippe, it is 1777. But in the beginning of the chapter, the year given 1785, Dr. H.A. Robert N.E.C. Wilson gives a brief sketch of Boningasan's life. They show how a lawyer turned to an expert homeopath. It was Dr. V who influenced Boningasan by rescuing him from the purulent tuberculosis with the help of pulsatilla. In the part 1 of the repertory, preface by Dr. T.F. Allen, in the preface, Dr. T.F. Allen says that his aim is to demonstrate the sound philosophy and practical application of this work. So, such a state as the physician meets in everyday practice. He admits that the book is not perfect, but the principle upon which it is based are sound and will allow further expansion without distorting the basic principle. In part 2, repertory proper with the index. The repertory is divided into some sections. These sections are mind and intellect, parts of the body and organs, sensation and complaints, sleep and dreams, fever, alteration in the state of health, and relationship of the remedies. Boningasan has decided his books in such a way that it would be unable to physician to bring the symptom together and complete one part by another. Primary symptom which seem to have a direct bearing on complaint. Secondary, they belong to the class of concomitant. Typical, common symptom and disease symptom. Atypical are the symptom which belong to the individual or the peculiar type of keynote symptom जिसे हम बोल सकते हैं. Boningasan developed his first repertory of antisoric 1832. In 1835, repertory which are not antisoric. 1836, attempt at showing the relative kinship of homeopathic medicine, and at 46, BTPP. BTPP is a combination of all these four books. The original book was written in the German language. It was first translated by one most eminent homeopathic physician. This translation was not practical. Later, Allen made an edition which suffered from faulty translation. Lastly, in 1935, the book was edited by Dr. H.A. Robert and N.E.C. Wilson. Boningasan emphasized on more completing the symptom with other their components. These components are the location, which includes the parts, organs, tissues, system, as well as direction and the extension, sensation, kind of pain, suffering, complaint, and also functional organic changes characterizing the morbid process. Modality, this includes condition of aggravation, amelioration factor which cause excite, increase, decrease, or modifying a symptom are included in modality. And fourth and last component is the concomitant. Concomitant symptom appear and disappear with the main complaint, but there is not a relation between the pathologically with the main complaint. BTPP is based on the following fundamental concept. These concepts are given by Dr. Boningasan. First is the doctrine of analogy and doctrine of grand generalization. Second, doctrine of concomitant, evaluation of the remedies, and the concordance. So the topic is introduction of the BTPP is completed now. My reference book, Essential of Repertorization by Shakshikant Tiwari, referred by the Khanaj. Thank you. This session is powered by digital version 2.0, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. Hope you are satisfied with my session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it quickly.